I want to share on the Building Your Brand Toastmasters Club. I took on, I inspired, I grew Building Your Brand with the help of Bonnie Ann and my wife, Deb, as a new club from the ashes of a club that had voted to close. And working with Bonnie Ann, we came up with a niche, but is it really a niche? Building your brand is a core part of what we all want to do. We want to know that we've got something that we're giving back, that we are producing something that other people want. And we know in Toastmasters that the speeches we give are important because there are topics that people need to hear. And the only way we get comfortable enough to be able to share them is through practice. And the Building Your Brand Toastmasters Clubs gives you a key way of being able to work on your brand and work on the brand of Toastmasters at the same time. We work together to make each and every person understand all the options they have with branding and being able to understand the idea of branding in a way that allows them to be so much more. And that's the core principle of Toastmasters, is to be so much more. And being able to build your own brand, well, that just focuses it even better.